If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can, for example, use the palm swipe gesture. So with your hand, like this, for example, you can swipe from left to the right side of the screen or from the right side to the left side of the screen. So for example, it looks like this. There we go. Of course, this gesture can be disabled in settings, so in case it doesn't work for you, you want to scroll down in settings and go to advanced features, then choose motions and gestures, and then here we have the palm swipe to capture, which of course must be enabled if you want to use it. Besides that, you can also add the screenshot button to the quick settings panel. By default, it is not added, so let me just quickly remove it as well. There we go. So once you start editing the quick settings panel by using this pen, then here at the bottom we have add a control. Next, we should be able to find take screenshot button, for example, here in the capture section. So you can drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. For example, in this expandable area. And you can tap on this button to hide the quick settings panel and take a screenshot. And there is also the assistant menu. So if you go to settings, and then if you scroll down to accessibility, then you can choose interaction and dexterity. And then here we have the assistant menu, which we can enable. And then we can use this button to find the screenshot button, which we can use to, of course, capture the screenshot. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.